this is my small garage, and these are the classic cars and the motorcycles that I have. I just wanted to do like a quick channel introduction because this is all new to me, doing the YouTube and filming. So I just wanted to show the cars and the motorcycles that in the future we will work on. I will do a separate introduction video for each one of them, specifying the problems that they have, what the make and the year and everything, but mostly everything is 50 plus years old. I also have my daily cars here, of course, I'll show them in the video too. My van and my station wagon for the kid. And yeah, a small garage, nothing fancy. The motorcycles and the cars, most of them at least for now, they were brought here, so I'm taking care of them because they were heritage from my father-in-law. So they are my wife's cars and motorcycles and my brother-in-law. But I take care of them, and I just wanted to share what do I do, and I don't know, this is our very old machines, and I'm learning, so maybe the people that are watching my videos also learn something. Maybe some problems that I'm having, you can find a solution to, because they all really look like new already. Some of them, I have some to fully restore. But still they have some issues that we need to take care of, and yeah, I'll show you the small garage tour.